one of the 3 THT assembly lines at Hitech Circuits PCBA. Each of our through-hole THT assembly lines is equipped with a wave soldering oven. Our experienced THT operators have an average of 5 years of experience. First, our operators insert the leads of THT components through the PCB holes. All our operators wear an anti-static wristband on their hand. After plugging in all THT components, an operator places the PCBA onto a fixture and sends it onto the conveyor of the wave soldering oven. In the wave soldering oven, the PCBA is applied with flux and preheated. Then it passes over a wave of molten solder, which solders the component leads and PCBA. Hitech Circuits has rich experience in custom designing the fixture, which protects the PCBA and presses down the components prone to float during wave soldering. After wave soldering, the PCBA leaves the oven. An operator takes the PCBA from the fixture and puts the fixture on the automated guided vehicle AGV. The AGV transfers the fixture back to the workstation before the wave soldering oven for the next PCBA soldering. The operator also trims the component leads on the underside to 1 to 2 millimeters. Another operator touches up the PCBA to optimize the soldering and lead trimming effect. The next operator debugs the PCBA to test the function and effect of the board. After verifying the effect, the next operator visually checks the PCBA boards. Hitech Circuits provides high-quality PCB, SMT, and THT assembly. Visit us at www.hitechpcba.com.